How to fix lag in Roblox in mobile devices, easy and fast. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to Roblox and choose any server. For example, I'm gonna choose this racing server. Now go to the top here, click on Roblox logo and go to settings. And now all what you have to do is scroll down and choose the graphics mode on manual like this and make it lower as possible like this. Make sure to make it as lower as possible to increase the FPS. Now go back, as you can see. Now we just increased the FPS easily. Let's try it. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe.